my channel. I've got a really exciting video today. I'm going to be showing you how I went from this, I think it's somewhere around here, or it could be here, but I think it's here, from this to this beautiful wreath. Everything I've got is mainly from the range. I've had this wreath for about 5 years now, and every year I like to update it and put a bit more glam into it. So I'm going to show you how I do it.
Okay, so first off you need to get your wreath. I'm just going to spray it with snow spray just to give it that nice snowy effect. I also added some £2.50 lights from Primark. All I did was wrap them all the way around the wreath. So these are the decorations I'm going to be putting on the wreath. Some of them are from my local garden centre and some of them are from the range. Okay, so now I'm just laying the decorations onto the wreath. I'm not going to secure them into place just yet because I like to get a feel of how they're going to look. As you can see, I've started off with the larger decorations first and then I just kind of wing it from there. This part is completely up to you to design it how you'd like it to look and the kind of style that you're going for. Okay, so when you've laid everything out and you're happy with your design, you want to grab a pair of pliers and some wire string. If you don't have a pair of pliers, scissors work absolutely fine. Okay, so now I'm just cutting a piece of the wire string. You want to make it long enough to wrap around your decoration and to also wrap it around your wreath to secure it into place. You want to wrap it around your decoration quite a few times just to make sure it doesn't fall off. If you don't want to use the wire string, you could also use a glue gun. I like to use the wire string because I like to mix it up a bit each year. So once you've done that, you want to get your wreath and thread the wire string through the wreath and wrap it around the base as much as you can. You want to repeat the process until all your decorations are firmly attached onto your wreath. So that's all it takes to make your own beautiful Christmas wreath.
Thank you so much for watching this video. It was really easy to make and I hope you all give it a go. If you do like the video, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!